Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we consider to be the best stand-up coat rack currently available, the Pipishell sturdy wooden coat tree. If you've been looking to declutter your entryway, bedroom, or office, and want something stylish, compact, and functional, this one might just be the perfect fit. Let's start with the design. The Pipishell coat tree is crafted from high-quality pine wood and finished in a warm brown tone that suits almost any interior. It brings a touch of rustic elegance without being too bulky or overbearing. What makes this stand out visually is the simplicity, a sleek, vertical profile supported by a tri-legged base that ensures both balance and aesthetic appeal. Now let's talk size and versatility. This coat rack comes with 4 modular sections, which allow you to adjust the height to your needs. Want a shorter rack for a kid's room? Use just 2 sections and it stands at about 39.8 inches. Need something for teens or medium height users? 3 sections make it 54.3 inches. And for adults, use all 4 to get the full 68.9 inches. This feature is especially useful if you're planning to use it across different rooms or want a product that grows with your family. Functionality-wise, it features 8 well-spaced hooks that can hold up to 6.6 pounds each. That's plenty for coats, hats, scarves, handbags, and more. Whether you place it in your hallway, living room, or even your office, you'll find it keeps things neat without taking up too much space. The hooks themselves have smooth edges, meaning they won't snag your garments, a small detail, but one that matters. Build quality is another highlight. This coat rack uses a 1.5-inch thick central pole and a 1.2-inch diameter tri-legged base, both made from lacquered solid pine wood. The screw-on construction makes the entire structure impressively sturdy. It won't wobble or tip even when it's fully loaded. In fact, it holds its ground better than many other coat trees in its price range. Assembly is a breeze. No tools are required. Each section comes with pre-fitted metal screw holes. It's as simple as aligning and twisting the parts together. The instructions included are clear, and you can get it ready in just a few minutes. Lastly, Pipishell backs this product with professional customer service. While we won't get into reviews today, it's always reassuring when a brand stands behind its product. To wrap things up, the Pipishell sturdy wooden coat tree is a smart blend of design, durability, and practicality. With its adjustable height, solid wood construction, and space-saving design, it checks nearly every box. If you're in the market for a freestanding coat rack that doesn't sacrifice style for utility, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more hands-on reviews and buying guides. See you next time.